What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I have a problem that I need to solve. And the problem is messy. That's the problem. And they all sit on my desk and they do various things. These two are connected and they're charging wireless for my guitar. This is for my watch. We just have so many different things. USB mini, USB-C. Like, what the heck's going on here? This is just a cluster. So, today I was online on, I think Twitter maybe, I don't know, and saw that Elegoo posted a link, or not a link, but a video of something that can help you take care of your cable problem. And this cable problem is definitely a problem. So what this does, this spins freely, and I did have an issue right there with lifting off the bed, but not a big deal, I don't care about that. This will pop down on here and this spins and will wrap up, apparently, my cables. So let me grab one and let's see what this looks like. So we've got a cable. We're going there, we're going there. Let's get rid of this build plate. And that only fits one way. Apparently not easily, but there we go. And that closes down. And that lifted there too. But again, not a big deal. And the only thing you have to make sure of is that the cable middle is in the middle here in the block. And then all you do is twist this up. And it's wrapping your cable up inside of this block. See, I didn't have it exactly even. So let's see if we can get it nice and even. Okay, I think we're at the, there we go. We're at the end. Oh, no, we're not. Now we are. So, I'm going to take the two ends, and you won't see this on camera probably, but we will make sure that they're even coming out of both sides of this block. A little more that way. A little more. Not too much. So that should be good. So let's twist it back up. Let's see what we end up with. Again, this looks like this is coming in faster than this side. But you get the idea, right? You get the idea. This is fine the way it is. And then what's nice is because they're Lego, you can just stack these up and put them on your desk. And just have a multi-cable system. So I'm going to do probably 3 or 4 more because I have this entire freaking ton of cables. But this is so much easier and neater than having them just sitting on your desk like that. I'll put a link to the description. I used 15% infill, and I did use 4 walls. They recommended 2, but I didn't want it to break or shatter as I was spinning, so let's see if this one does that. Yep. Makes it easy to unwind it and use it. Now it's sliding through either side. Yeah, these are awesome, man. I'm so happy that I found this. Thank you, Elegoo, for posting that on Twitter, the video, because I was like, what can I do to, like, get all my cables lined up? I didn't want to zip tie them. I didn't want to have to use Velcro, because then you have to undo the Velcro, undo the zip tie, break the zip tie, and then use another one. So this really helps out with storage of the cables. And I can just move them off to the side and get them off my desk over there, and then when I need one, just grab this and be like, hey, this is the one that I need. It's the USB-C, and I'm good to go. Alright guys, please hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will put a link to the description from Maker World. I'm going to print some more. I'm going to heat the bed up a little more. I don't know what the default was, but I'm going to probably crank it up to 70 or 75 so it doesn't lift off the bed. And print some other colors. And we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all.